In front of me is REALME C75, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then you can tap on those icons at the top right corners to see all of those themes. And tap on the best one for you. Now manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and hit apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my theme was successfully applied. To customize one, go back to the same section in keyboard settings and tap on plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo you wanna apply as your keyboard background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and tap on apply. If you want to delete or manage any of your themes, go back to the same section again. And in case of downloaded ones, you can tap on one and delete it from here. You will always be able to get it again by clicking on it. If you want to edit one of your custom ones, click on it and tap on Edit button, which is this pen. Then make your changes. Make sure to hit apply. If you want to delete any of your custom themes, click on it and use the same bin. This one though will be lost forever until you make it again. Just something to keep in mind. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!